Singikazi ke into zediski misithatha ukudlala mina ngithanda ukudlala amadayisi.
Yeah.
So it happened umngani kaThusophala asadlala ku Silver Stars. Oma necontainer ama public phone ekasilami emashop. Thusophala on that day kesithambe ngicela umazi nimudle ngigijime ngiyothenga iteki mixana ama 11 shoe.
Okay.
Batha ngophela silithetha bodi Nike Ren shoe.
Yeah, yeah.
Hayi. Wesokumuntu njalo sesiyadlala amadayisi. Sesidlala amadayisi njalo nje sidlala amadayisi athi cheese asene ku cheese. Ayi ngiyabona manje le ndaba leza amadayisi. Intwana enseyangayo. Kune top 5 omunye nomunye unenumber. Usikimisa ukuthi Thusophala omunye nomunye. Mesi 15 mfethu omunye nomunye unenumber.
Yeah.
Mina mengu number 11.
Yo.
Ngifonele yangifona. Nathi hayi ule ukhuna ufuna ukukhuluma nawe yabo. Angakamjwayeli. Ufuna ukukhuluma nami. Ukhuluma. Sho fele hayi entsha umnadi hayi. Soshaka undukasi iningi hayi. Ngena sengifohloza mina. Thusophala khune into zabantwana. Obvious kanjalo. Man Thoma Qheza wameka bhola. That's why izinto ezibhaya zange sasava kahle. Ngazithola sengikwinto zavuma taxi.
Yeah, Junior Kanye TV. No, se on mfethu namhlanje siphethe elinye lasinamba yo. A dribbling wizard part ngokukhuluma. Yeah, ikwazi ukuringa ingwenya is given. uNkulunkulu uphethe amalima ayi-2 spiritually and physical. Phethe uNhlex sister ngapha ka right. Phethe uSugar. Don't forget #bet with the best #WorldSportBetting. Junior Kanye TV. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Yeah, mfethu without ukwesta isikhathi lanhla kunjani mfethu?
Ngigrand wena?
Yeah. Anyway mina nawe mfethu so host untwana uSugar. Sugar kunjani mfethu?
Yeah, ngi-right aka. Ngi-right njalo khala kusizi man.
Ugrand.
100%.
Inflex mfethu awukhuthali mawubona isijukujuku.
Hangiyakhuthala ukumbona gezeni okugeza. Sijukujuku wamawalawala.
Yeah, sure.
Otherwise,
Ngimnandi ndlela.
kade ngakugcina.
Khona.
Hayi no, sijabula masisakubona.
Ya njami utatu kwesti isikhathi man. Niyazi ngifuna sikubizele la ukucelebrate. Obvious khona like this is for me it's a educating entertaining show for C3 kanje. Mfana you've done well for yourself. Abantu ngile nto mele bangayithathi light. And I think your story is ofudisa abantu abaningi. But it's a reality access story. I mean I don't say it's a story. Twana ngifuna ukwazi before sikudeni nje. Usijuka ubani? Usijuka ubuya. Usijukujuku.
Okay. Usijuku. Yeah, nickname yami ngagari Bridge Khotmalama. Mina mlungisi mncwabi, yabo. Into lenyane ekhulele Deep Blue for but no ngisahlala eDeep Blue sengihlala ba Orange Farm, yabo.
Oh.
Yeah, sengihlala emafarm. Yeah, into lenyane ekhulele Deep Blue. Thali diski. It happened. Le space lesabali bebhola. Abantu abaningi abasazi story. Okay, singikazi ke into zediski misithatha ukudlala mina ngithanda ukudlala amadayisi.
Yeah.
So it happened umngani kaThusophala asadlala ku Silver Stars. Oma necontainer ama public phone ekasilami emashop.
Oh.
So mina sasingintwana lapho maybe ma 16. So mesidlala amadayisi lapho sidlala amadayisi Thusophala uyeza naye uthanda amadayisi.
Oh.
Sidlala amadayisi. Ngimudla Thusophala on that day kesithambe ngicela umazi nimudle ngigijime ngiyothenga iteki mixana ama 11 shoe.
Okay.
Batha ngophela silithetha bodi Nike Ren shoe.
Yeah.
Hayi. Wesokumuntu njalo sesiyadlala amadayisi. Sesidlala amadayisi njalo nje sidlala amadayisi athi cheese asene ku cheese. Ayi ngiyabona manje le ndaba leza amadayisi. Intwana enseyangayo manje.
Oh.
Manje wazi ukuthi esikimisa kaThusophala sibo my 15.
Yo.
Imoto i1.
Bengena kanje.
Kune top 5 phela.
Okay.
Top 5. Kune top 5. Omunye nomunye unenumber. Usikimisa ukuthi Thusophala omunye nomunye. Mesi 15 mfethu omunye nomunye unenumber.
Yeah.
Mina mengu number 11.
Yo. Okay.
Yeah.
Number 11 kuyaziwa Friday. Okay, ama-chance Friday if Thusophala ngadlali kuyodlala iPlayStation and then but hayi bafethu fana riksali first 4 shothi umeke bathi first 4 lo uyasala naye
Eish.
ushuthi ngamanye amagama Thusophala uzoba nemedi
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
seyazi kuyabekwa hayi ngehle amanamba senyayehla amanamba iskime wena wadlala mina uthola ije zaka Thusophala ngithola isikhathi hayi scheme Thusophala adlala iChiefs adlala Chiefs ijwalayo ngijelo ngifonele yangifona nathi hayi ule ukhuna ufuna ukukhuluma nawe yabo angakamjwayeli ufuna ukukhuluma nami ukhuluma sho fele hayi entsha umnadi hayi soshaka undukasi iningi hayi awukhuna yazithandele mina nje Thusophala ukuthi mina le ndaba yena ngisablomi.
Yeah.
Holy papaya. Number 2 untanga ufuna ukwazi ikasi. Number 3 iqala kanjalo lento yami. Number 3 untanga uhlale ngesitoko. Phela ngicela kanjalo usho ukuthi ngivula lento yesitoko ngayo le.
Hey bile
Ukhuni.
hey
ovula isitoko ngokhulu.
hayi into lefuna ukwazi isitoko phela yabo
Yeah.
hayi thuse mina nyana ngizonibona awuthi sobhala bathi isigela sengicabanga manje kish up
Wenza grade bani ngaleso sikhathi?
exactly 9
Sure, okay.
Yazi mina ntwana before mhlambe njengoba ngiyabona ulone. Ngifuna ukena uThuso benihlala eKaselwane.
ngihlale Orlando ngihlale eDekloof
Uhlala eTK.
yeah uza kanjani awuthathe ama container iba ne container ema shop yes
Deep
ba ne
Kloof.
container ne Dekloof
Yes.
jwayela na kanjalo
Oh, so when it is kibudlala.
ithi ngidlala
Oh.
you understand ithi ngidlala
Yeah.
ngena sengifohloza mina thusophala khune into zabantwana obvious kanjalo
Oh.
nini senyathanda idiski nini sayacocela nezitori zenu ngazi nezitori zenu zakudala yabo hayi bekaloku bababhizi nabo diphuku uthole bo aka libona uyabona into njalo enjalo
Yeah.
yena kanjalo ke thusophala obvious ufikele ezandleni zami intwana ngazi ikasi kithi abagasi left right center yime ngazi ikasi
Yeah.
Nestock sasekhaya.
nesitoko sasekasi ngibaniswe abantwana bayangibona ngiyaposta ngiyafo
Ngesikhathi se-BBM,
yeah sana kwa BBM
Yeah.
ngithanda ukupgrade senyabona lesitoko sizila ngesikhathi senyalwela manje abantwana laba baphasayo abaya ku ema UJ ngiskima bona manje nina mamelane ngizoza nomuntu so manje abantwana UJ sebayangiphetha senginokhipha UJ out abantwana laba mengisho ngithi abantwana laba bolondi London ngimazo sayo seDurban mfita shangelekini eli1 liphephulo uyazi na nginokumkhumbuza ngamtshontshela ijini ngisasedladlini before about Amanda Dupoint mengibakhipha esigela esigela bese abantu bafunda ngala manje ngiyakhohle ukuthi ngibahlala la manje kingipleke
Efini.
yabona mose campus square unyoka
Yeah.
right la bholo
Menville.
use campus square
Yeah.
ne uyanyuka uyale angithi moya le uyistones
Oh.
uyistones wena uyale after right how right utofita gate ya UJ
Okay bon.
okay
Iyakheva.
townhouse now
eBrixton mawuyale ngase Brixton.
sharp kuna townhouse nyana
Yeah, kunama-townhouse on the left hand side.
left ngibakhipha flat la abantwana lapho ke so ilento le yaqala eselitha ke sokuyizinto ukuthi amanye akusasibhali manje abantu obvious mise baqala bacanga ukuthi ngabantwana labaza ngamabazi ngami ngiphatha umntwana oyi1 before mekusanyewe mengiphatha wena ngithi ufuna kuba nokhulu uyazi ukuthi kuyanyiwe emafrijini wena esikoleni nanibhali lekani iWesden zohamba Friday endlini Stella ithombe kusendu ithombe siyakhetha ukuthi hardly sharp
So mina Thuku ngifuna ukubuza mfana ekhaya kini. Original wena. Ngifuna ukwazi intwana you grew up ekhaya kusho ukuthi amandla bewakhona. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ikhaya obuya kulo mfana la where you were like raised wena. Belinjani mfana ngikhuluma ngebackground because ezinye izinto angithi yizo mhlambe ziphusha umuntu.
Influencer, yeah.
Yeah.
mina ngishisa amagreza noma andiza wami lo ngihlala nayo lotshami magreza wami kumprofit strong profita nge5 rand mekushayela yini edladleni
Oh.
edladleni mekushayela yini
Yeah.
line magreza wami kumprofit strong nge5 rand nje ubeka iglass yamanzi ubamba amanzi nje atshele indaba zakho manje ngithi ama-doctor nani phela ezazini mekuyi-4 la eDK magreza wami waprofit omunye umdoctor so asiza omunye udoctor udoctor washaya amaroom edladleni wakha amaroom edladleni
Sure. Yeah, kusho ukuthi uphethe enye gift.
uyanderstand
Yeah, inswembe khona la isuka khona.
sharp
There's a spiritual.
sharp kanjalo fela umolidi wami akasumuntu ongikhulisile yabona lona muntu ezalo ngihlala naye and then yazazi into zabafamily manje uma kutheza wami bekabhoda that's why izinto ezibhaya zange sasavaka kahle ngazithola sengikunto zavuma drugs mise kunyiwa like yo mfethu mise like I lost my mind kwabona lento ukuthi lose mind up but
Sure.
strong
Yeah.
wazi ukuthi bengishaya phela amayilobho ngiwashaya naye lo ulake semuva umayilobho liphathi
Antex.
Ubani lo?
inhlahla yabona
Yeah.
bathi inhlanhla nayo khona lapho yonke into evagrant
Yeah.
abantwana uyabona leyo face
Yeah.
abantwana ngiphatha umntana wekhaladi odlula wonke umuntu
Mara Sithuku wena uya too fast. Sisafuna ukwazi ukuthi like the family dynamics setup yakho dladleng neli jwang tjeka no hodisa ke magriza no le closely mang the siblings tse kae no le jwang as a child like cause akere slightly wa baltsi ba utse ba Sithuku wa mawala but like where does this guy come from?
okay khulisa kumagriza ne kuyeso v4
Sure.
kuswaka kinna kona kuyiso ngona kwesomunga mshumande so it happened kumagriza nele muntu uthanda ukuletha ifamily like amakhazini wami asoboma Natal uyawabiza uMagriza yes uMagriza akazathi umuntu ongena ingcuthi yabo thanda like abantwana ukuthi lento le nokuyibona ama picture kuma social media abaposta ukuthi it was nice
Lale masofeni.
like masofi
Hansi, yeah.
sibabhaye so kanjalo and then what happened ukuthi thina kithi hlale mina no sister lami ngingosasezadleni ngasihlala noMagriza sikhuso Magriza usikhulisa thina uMagriza board ke you understand and we umuntu benclose naye memkhula mina ukukhulelo wami ngikhule vele ngazi uma intiza wami uyo umuntu engimazi that's why thina namanje it was easy for mina ukuthi ngiye na so nje family there was nothing that was needed it was always been love without no money needed ukuthi because noma ngiyara ungamukele phela ayi mase ngigive up lezi zinto ngiyakhumbula ngi 20 izinto zami ezingahambi kahle ngapha ngiyabona ikhanda lami selihlangene understand so uyo umuntu vele nanoma kasuka lapha ya Deep Kloof ayoqasha ezone 3 ngihamba ngamlandela mengiya la ngiyo ukuthi ngibloma la so uyo umuntu like basically engimjwayele because I know most people abantu abatravel ukuthi uze kanjani decide uhlala so like mengikhuluma Magriza wami umantiza wami uye obvious mina mengiyintwana Magriza phi umantiza wami mekageleza naye mekabuye sike uyazi mina izini so uyo umuntu memkhula ngiphaphama
Bekala.
alegal thing ke mtseba la di khola Magriza ka la tlhokofala ke yena motho ne ke ya go yena bona mollo ka na sampana dula ka panthi mollo ka tla a dula mo Deep Kloof o ya to dula mo Deep
Isitori siqedile ntwana.
ngifunde eRoma ngenze ngifundeni nasangihle eshle paski lokushona kaMagriza mu district entening ngifunde eRoma grade 0 ngaphasa kahle ngaphelwa ka grade 9 Magriza I think ushone nga grade 8 grade 9 ngafeyila enamidi ngayofunda grade 9 ngaphasa enamidi ngaya grade 10 ngabona labantwana ngazathi manje bayangibhora cause mina manje ngamaSunday ngihamba ngiyojiva nabo thuso phala ngibuya Monday ngiphithe isihlamahlama ngingale indaba yesikole
Mara esikolweni like bo umuntu onjani because I know I hear
gambler
or no gambler boyilezi sihlezi sibhalwa ngizwa bathi wena umem makaphuma lo bathi abhala igama junior abantu abarasayo uJugube yasicelela ukuthi hayi mina ngicela ungibhale ngoba ngeke ngithule abathi uJugube kacela ukuthi hayi mina ngicela ungibhale ngoba ngiyazaza ngeke ngithule
ngibhale nathi bantu sikela man mengimntwana isikela sethi ngikuyi private school lapha eRoma private school that's why ngikhona ukukhuluma I can read I can write yabo noma ngino grade 9 I can read I can write I can speak to very high profile people I understand that's why I can even ngathi ngiyakhona ukufitha in rubbing shoulders also with the high profile people because if isikela the only problem isikela sami ngizweni ngayo gambling phela wazi isikela sami it was grade 0 until matric mengifunda grade mengifunda grade 6 but mengu Knoxman mina for the whole school
Sure.
Primary high school
mekumelo mina
Yeah.
mekumela mina ama high school ama matric nanani mekumelo mina ngeke uvule lapha uyazovula ama dice mekukhona imithamo eligadayo lapha bathi uTamos mongineke problem uvula isikole uzosinika uzocabana nathi phela umele mina
Yeah.
ngiceda ngapha ngifike ngivule gambling lento yami ekuthanda namantombazana dali lokho khona lapha
Wena kusho ukuthi intwana ngifuna ukwazi.
yeah
Before so fast forward asifike obvious kubokhune uyo upgrade. Angeke unika abachitha abantwana wena ungenzi plan ukuthi bakunike or ushaye. Eyabona nabo mhlambe or yena uthuso. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena the way le buthikini umuntu wayo na. Ushuthi esigela bo yeah.
bangithanda buchile
Obekhona.
yeah ngithanda buchile but it only happened to be honest esikoleni akunamntana engemshayile esigela it only happened after isigela wonke lama crush wami washaya wonke mithi ngoyi7 washaya wonke i7
so esikoleni awushaya ngamuntu
hayi esikoleni hayi nakujola esikoleni mengiyengitshola hayi ngisase ngithanda ama dice mina
Yeah. So ngifuna ukena nje amsharp naku manje so you met Itumeleng Khune a big superstar mfethu one of a big superstar and ngaleso sikhathi it is prime yabo ungena kanjani yes ngiyakuzwa uthi ukhune uthusa ukumithisa ukufune wena ukhuna za kufatele because kune mangilibele ngikulandelela ngibona kunamanye ama episode ngumamela usho ukuthi untwana used to come to you used to call you ukhune phela by then everybody wanted a piece of him yabo beyangeka benesikhathi yawuthi asekasi mhlambe by that time I'm sure financial now akusukuthi bo stable yabo ukune ukufatela kanjani mfana i-relationship is ibond between you and Khune because wena by then ukwazi ngothuso and why
okay i-relationship ikenzakalani nokhune sekayeza ukhune kasi uzongishayela around yabo awungishayela
edk
edeprove awungishayela nombana sayabloma ayi ngitshela ayimfithu ayazi le ndaba yakho ukuthi Friday uyangilanda Sunday uyangiletha edlaleni mina ngiyezwa athi utsho intabo lesikolweni udawo noyadlala next year ikolomo isivule ngihambe ngiyoregister college abantu bangiregister college ngingafuni ukubuyela esigela yabo ngisafuna ukubuyela edlaleni kusho ukuthi manje sihlala si4 endlini ngilala esofeni uyabona nezinye izinto mina yimi ukhune uthela ngubeni uGregory Mabhena ngithola
uGreg
sofeni lapha eClaptasken yeah thela no Greg abalala boyi2 khune olala yi1 ngilala esofeni ngiyaqina ukubuyela kuphi edlaleni ngiyamtshela angihambi
yeah
athi uyabona ngivaye hayi shap ntona ngitshele ngidampi naka sivaya toki watsayitsa ngiyabona ntona wabathu vaya once thola sigela nyana something keep her busy kudayi wazi ukuthi intwana into esenza vele sithi xa simtswe msoyi2 ngapha PlayStation akakaphuzi akafuna ukuthenga lamantombazana utshwala yimali clever mara ngisatha naye kahle ngiyambuild up ngithi
yeah
yimi clever kahle kahle nathi be next
yeah
intwana athi dladla yonke into ecala intwana ngathi dladla la mathanos lawa se Omonde View Estate ayitho qala bokuhlala lapha nathi Omonde View Estate yabona Omonde View Estate asengilayitile manje ngiyamlayitisa manje uthi mina 1 2 3 yena kama loqala wapaka so phela le yami ngingafuna ukuthenga impahla uthe mina kumele uqala ugcoke kanje manje indawo yakhe amaNike hayi manje sasebenza 2011 yiboom ke yikhona la ngibambe khona ispark ke ngapha ngishamelela uBoom Party ngapha uKhune was only soccer player uhlala endlini uLerim Msher Michelle Party ama soccer player wonke afuna ukuza kithi ikamera namakamera ay6 abo Josh Libisi that's why umbaqala bangithanda ke kuze mesiza nabantwana omunye nomunye mekahlaba kwelakhe ubeke nama disturber so bona mesabantu bahlala kule mikhukhu yabo amathana zabo punch masinamela ngithola toto nawo roikambule lo roikambule ngephika thuso phala mukangilanda esigela ngisafunde namili landa esigela siploma PlayStation khune sidabo sigcwalisa yini PlayStation machine e1 ne PlayStation sikhona ukudlala form meka buye ejimini singadlala nthina bo2 ntatha
2 ntata kuze
yeah siloku sidlala
ubani bekantswembu phakathi kwenu noyi2
mina naye
yeah
uye
bekakushaya
yeah but abantu abantsweni uma soccer player abantu abantsweni number 1 it has to nyanyamnike it has to be lona George Manleka
okay
George Libis vele ngikhulu ngibamba Stu namnyazibala la
abantu uthi ama soccer player
namnyazibala
so yi soccer player
ngiyazibala usophala
yeah
angazi Michael Kambule manje I don't know now
yeah shuku ngifuna ukubuza mfethu yeah okay sharp naku manje wena noKhune yes untwana uyamtshela ukuthi ufuna ukuyesigele college stuff obviously women's wanted Khune yena kusukuthi bekabathayida I'm sure bekunzima ukuthi ushele untwana obviously come to him and sometimes baringa nawo bakubona abanye uhamba naye i-question engifuna ukubuza you benefiting financially mavana untwana it's a question unento untwana bekanokukayona it's about booze
angiyazi
it's a question
yakhe
so okay why were you there
it was love mina naye nezizwana so
ngicela ukubuza ke mawuzoyenza ithathu kakhuni bekwenze njani
ungishashayile wathi ntwana ke ithathu lena ke tsa how tomota thathu lwena kama utope kazisaza yabo these kimkhafile ngaya bro menifika kanti ayikho lento angalidlala ngami
then why did you keep it for so long
yakhe kasithusi akina hayi watla ke kwani
kuyabuza
I found it a waste ezinye cherries nokungibuza ukuthi why manje ithathu yini ngatona naye ngishayana nokumakhala le amakhala mekakazi next nekaze imali mangapho lazathi yimi nginemali because yonke into mezo khat lakhe melihlala kimi
yo
khatla
kantwana belihlala kuwe
belihlala kimi
that's true
hayi yamona
so no etsang no run the finances tsa hayi
hayi not level personal aka not level personal
bo makhepi tse okay
mesibe zigcwala indlela silela Tswara ke re kumele a re klahlele tawa kana o etse so le so sharp kanjalo
ayisani
but had no benefit financially
tawa eo
Yeah.
ya gore go kwadiwe space ya go tlamele ke lo etsa so phela actually ukhona ka zanka 5 but or ang 3,000 or ang ntona as a business but I think that's why always in my videos bafethu ne some like I always say to people like some friendship they were a blessing that's why it's only now sikhona ukukhulumisana noma siza kabana 2018 but it's only this year sikhona
I
ukukhulumisana
understand.
some friendships are blessing yabona mina if ngahlukananga nokhuni menye ngibe ne license menye ngicabanga ukuthenga umbhede menye ngize ngibe ngicabanga ukuthenga TV menye ngicabanga ingqondo yami mengiso
Ufika
you know why because uthola everything da mengifuna ukuba ngithatha ifoni yakhe awukube la mntana uyeza umntana mekafika kuwe siphela ukhona ukucela ukuphuza utshwalo abantu abachaza naye uyacala yawuthi I don't like to yime ngamtshela kade wona manje sone imali ebhala bebaqeda ukwini 2014 2015 league ngadabona masona imali engaka you need to choose between two I don't want to make drugs or utlona jwa o ka se phile life le so ba bona go hectic jwa banyana ba o batla left and right o tswa di world cup a ko nahana ka go tsa ke shape blue eyes we try ge wa kanja ma shape blue eyes ngathi me ba buye passing qete for mina ting like shape blue eyes ya wena thwe ka go bambe tlo utho fetsa o bamba o shanga na o sa o thella jwa ya khanda ya shawmal khande jwa
khas
am khas ya shay khas ya utam ya my favorite yakhe khas
yeah
but azange yambhayisa one thing I like about him since abe discipline nangamantombazane ekakalali now without in that's why umntana abe naye everything yakhe make that guy was organized
yeah
I don't know na lie that guy was organized that's why I don't think that guy will even go abe broke or everything
yeah no I know the boy mina ngithi ukhulela phambi kwami nami uqinisile I don't think I know the boy so
phela ukuthi awujunior dala ngichomela futhi ngimcela ngikhatha backstation
yeah ntwanami leya
Yeah.
like mangidlala ku reserve obvious umfana and right mfana even ne background ngikhuluma ngasekhaya you are right
yeah.
I think nalento imncedile ukhune because umuntu oshayi mangithi ushaya ngisho ukuthi ukusaba abantu but ukhune I think une line I draw in everything you right I think yeah you are right so angazi sijuka mfana uqala lapho uvana ukhune sharp ngiyakubuza ubenefitanga vele uyashuta ubenefitayo
uyazimakala
so the question is mfethu I'm sure bese kuneyikandana mangithi ikandala uthume ukhune phela bengisengibona ukuthi umfana uyahasa yabona ngizwa nami kancane ukuthi yes not to say ukuthi beka skip abo training and stuff yabo
I training meka
beka I training ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi bom encourage ngendaba ye training wena mfana
yeah make him encourage and besides like I said ukuthi le yami islam uyaqaba ispan meka sibeka phambili guy every izinto esikaso sibeka phambili leza senze esemuva ngithi yimi ngisela nazo
yeah
if you can get me ukhune the one thing about it izinto esikaso uzibeka phambili lezi ezinye angithi that's why meso ezami lezi iduty yami le lezi ezinye girls zamo bambondi latabana bali phela head with that guy angifundisa ukudrive ngama home kusathi ukudrive ke uxotsiba kacheku ayiyo tabe ya khokya khathala ke motho so lezi semuva one thing ukhune lezi semuva nekwezami that's why that guy ithe mstata mina na friendship yami neyakithi wabona ukuthi le ayisekho le ngiyatoka la
so sijuka ngifuna ukwazi
Yeah.
there's many enemies there were created
you too much
by then
too much
yeah there's many
yeah I think girls yeah
sikhuluma ngabafazi babantu Talking about
Hey.
abanye noma ngabe sibiza
Abafazi
amagama
babantu.
but true wena uplomeka untwana obvious uchafekile yabo
Yeah,
usesababo bowudila kanjani nalawo ma situation ngoba ngisho kuba khona abantu bebakuvala or it's a question
yeah bakhona abantu nebangivala but you need to understand one thing Chuna ne amasoka player athandwa yini
Amantombazane nabotlele.
igebengu angeke sibabize ngegebengu ithi
Yeah.
akekho umuntu ebathi isigebengu hayivala
another thing into mengisiza mengiskime bani LTM Lawrence Sikitiki Thabo Moki
yeah
for umntana landwa uyabuza
Okay.
Yeah.
inja yami le
Oh, ukuthi umuntu kabani.
umuntu kabani
Before-
badala umtsiba
Okay.
Oh,
Aha.
yeah
then obvious that before that's why ngitshela ukuthi izinto ezimportant khulu mekweza
Mara Juni. Ubuka Lawrence Thabo Moki.
ayi mfethu
Phela-
uyakhanyisa
Isenior kuwe, isenior kukhulu.
yeah
Nihlangana kanjani?
yeah
ukuthi ngimazi ngilongiyana ophune la pitch mina
Okay.
sihlale kasi inja yami naye kanti uthanda istoko ngapha uzwele ngaminya level lapha nestoko khiphe ezinye izinto lapha uje indoda ukuthi amanye amagama ngeke ngiwakhuluma ngalabantu abazana sesiyacheta nje maka abanye sebayangithusana noma Instagram sebashadile ngithi ha lo ushadile
Yeah, mara mele understand intwana umuntu yakhula.
Sometimes
Sometimes-
give me my shock, but I understand. Yeah.
Yeah. Angithi manje uyamazi uNkulunkulu sipana ngendlela eningi sithuka. Sometimes look now your career is iyablosoma manje. And when you ukhuluma ngawe you started omunye umuntu asithi kube khuluma ngezinto manje now you doing nothing. Bengekenzi sense emntwini. Let's say your career ending up mhlambe after your relationship yakho nokhuni move out. Mamele nje bengeke omunye umuntu into ozikhuluma azithathe. But now your career is ithathinga direction. We understand. That's why ngibuza ukuthi ama enemies udile nawo kanjani ngoba ngishowcase okay noma ngabe uthabe Groot Manuel tena
Ama enemies yazi wena aka into mina mengisaba sayini. Angithi obvious ngiseke ndume vele njengepizza.
oh
So dume njengepizza.
Yeah, lapho. Enokhuna obvious uthanda abantwana abasekasi.
ngisho kanjalo ya
Sharp. Obvious umntwana asekasi. Juna tukujele mjaphu senzali. Ama enemy oba khona manje kancane, not too much. Angithi obvious lento alizi unentwana ibhaya engisavayo masowethu nani. Lento alizi mengisishaya ngetip off mina. Ntwana uthola di cox man. Awuthole ngwana uyi1 obabanga wakasega umsiba ngikho sisiphithiphithi. Ntwana emuna man kina lona cherina I believe go khuni wayibatla. Senda pitch kusenda pitch nani tayikhuna mona wona. Siyasomrathela.
oh
Mina bese ijuthi yami say off. Webhayi sengineyintwana zami ukuthi nina yenzani so nina yenzani so nina yenzani so. Sharp iba khona neyicheri kufana nabo Minenhle dlamini naye yabona. Lo futhi uswakhe loyo. Ujoleni ukhunye sekacava ukuthi bathi kunale usiju. From first day lo mntana uyazanga ngifuni.
Why? There was a reason why bekangakufuni.
Uzwele ukuthi wena kuzube happy nalo kumele ukhiphe lo.
And what keep her for a certain period of time.
Yeah. Kwabuya ngamtshela umaqala ngathi hayi evit phela manje ngifuni le ndaba ukubloma na.
So at the time, yena nomini bazwana, when you were not there,
I was not.
but you were friends with other soccer players.
Yeah.
How did you meet other soccer players? Because right now, nkari like kikune, but you ended up spreading out across different teams.
Ama-soccer player ungitshele kenzakalani ngendaba yama-soccer player ukuthi ama-soccer players angithandi mina. Understand ngihlale kahle kuyi-first exit kuyi-exit and first entrance.
Yes,
Number 2 ama-soccer player before mewajima kayi-2 aka. Ama-soccer player mewajima Orlando Stadium. Ama-soccer player mewajima kuphi eChiza Chiefs Village. Ama-soccer player anhlanhla ajima ngo-9 until 11 abuye azojima afternoon. Ama-soccer player meyithi 11 ekuseni after training basa bonke kithi bathi.
Bazoyenzani?
Bazobloma.
No, but wait.
Okay.
No. Akere kikune,
Yeah.
right?
Over meters.
So yeah, the rest. How did the rest of them come?
the rest-
Because no uskimile oyi-1, ne? Ovali oyi-1.
Nje.
So babamba
bathanda istyle sithi angingama weekend phela imengihlangisa abantwana giwa kakhulu khune uyophetha indlu
bathi ba jwang
hoye
gore khune kwena o supplier.
mama kirisa retse bana mfethu ntwana mayi relax uzomshalo
Okay.
uzishabise njalo
yazi
Who was the
ukuthi
next
uthini
person?
uTlex what is saying she's saying ukuthi uthi kineza azakufatela you know women's phela singahlala kanje sigcoke kahle uthola ukuthi uwobha utshwala bona bazi until uzobasho ukuthi hayi nayi ingwenya ephethe amandla mina ngifuna nami ngizoyibuza le question again ukhune uvanayo true yes ntwana nami ngiya understand indaba kakhune sharp umitha kanjani ngoba ngeze ukuthi
Tekele yona stop
I think-
irikwele tsena fast
yeah
Yeah.
ukhuna ngithi njoba kuloku uyawuthama
Yeah.
siba nescheme sethu
Okay.
wonke sayo ngokubloma nathi yimi George Libis
oh
Hathi Masenamela
oh
understand
Yeah.
Phansi Masenamela umfembo ngabantwana ababuphi basemapitori kuphi
bamitha kanjani abajida laba abanye ngayo khona
ngokhulu
oh
yeah sesiba impintshi
Okay.
okay
yabo
okay
siba ischeme sisihamba soyi4 wonke umuntu wenzani sekafuna ukuhamba nale 4 le
Also leya top 15 awusazingeni.
hayi
Sola.
top 15 tipu sengicaptain manje ngapha
oyikasi igabhile
yeah and then amahotman abo Jimmy Tawo bosimpisha balala bahlale ukubloma nathi mara mina ngingazithishisi lezi yakho zimezi too serious
yeah
mengijuvana no Jimmy Tawo simpisha balala zanga ngifostana phela
yeah
no ye yabona lezi zitali discipline and discipline yana engekho nje idakiwe so you understand
Yeah.
so kanjalo ke lezi mara sifuna ukubloma nathi manje asikhona ukubloma nathi because akangifateli usimpisha balala phela ngokuyisteering saka ye uye uzwa kusimpisha balala no lezi izinto azingasabi tot no that guy tukujele mina ake that guy mekafuna ukuzenza that guy
What do you mean that guy?
uyeye mekafuna ukuzenza ushaba
Okay, how?
no how like mekazibona kushabalala uyeye
But they're two different individuals,
Yes,
Chu.
but yena ipona ile Shabalala.
Jwang. Because ke
Dula
dimpe.
re bua jalo. Like ntho engwe le engwe Shabalala ne le boss vele ya scheme. Shabalala ne le boss. Shaba phela.
Okay, scheme surfing. Because o bua ka batho ba two. Yeah.
Shabalala okay. Ne le yena le
Right.
ba le bojimi le bo tshepo pula. Ke re tshepo pula yabona.
wasepinvi
Wa sho ukuthi ya ngikhabathe lento ngihamba nabo Shaba. Shabalala ne le story. Like una le story that guy.
Yeah.
That guy unesithunzi.
Yeah,
Take that guy for chance. And mega khuluma. Mega khuluma unesay. Yeah, inesay like say le so uyeme kaloku awuboni nalento lokuthi bavula amaklapa aboshaye nani. Yes, they friends we knew but
Yeah.
people didn't know the inside. Le yami kuyiboss scheme.
kusho ukuthi une
Yeah, ushakunayo lento leyo mpitshana.
I mean intwana ngithi kumazi ngokumbone manje mari awucheck is
Yeah,
dina
that's the good guys.
yeah awucheck
Yeah, makunayo lento leyo ukuthi anihlalise phansi anibeke speak for stand nanizwe ukuthi
Khulumile umuntu omdala.
le ikhulumi yeah so mekuye yena mekafuna ukuzenza ushabala
Yeah.
akazibona kushabala ubona lento ukuthi anje phoma phoma ingasi
Ah, yes, Chu.
yasho kumitha standard la kushaba meka kusinye standard bro that time because
But namanje sasekuleso standard. Nothing has changed.
ngabatla umitha that standard if imagine understand if one to like into go vale shabalala lona tlamele ube
Or ube utshwanele. Yeah.
but
Okay.
yenhlanhla ngazo ngizwa kahle into
Hey,
naye was
yeah, because that's the thing.
best.
Because he's also there.
That's
And
what-
remember, Barry, birds of a feather flock
Mhlawumbe
together.
untwana
Because that's what they
sikakhuluma
were.
asikhumule
yazi inhlanhla ukhuluma ngani mhlawumbe ntwana you know kunabantu abachoose inhlanhla
sha
Right.
thola ukuthi omunye umuntu noma ngabe sithanda ifootball sometimes yes
ushebelwa pa lodi ushebelena ntanga utlatla ipintse ife yangithola nikavula ngithi
angithi yilento engishoyo nhlex ukuthi
Okay.
mhlawumbe untwana ukhuluma nalezi zinto zezu yena yamuzi wazi inside
neringas lipuo selimuthi obua ngitsheka yena
Okay, ilor before na le jwang. Because when nkare o na le
Quiet guy. He was
information e re senang yona.
quiet guy until askimu shabi he was a quiet guy mina umuntu uthanda
oh
humble very humble sweet but lona le ka se bone inside na ba tleketsa na tshwalo apara wa sa to di suit ntse enkele ya gae gampe ga yo bone tsone tlala wa tsone re tle ye ma go ba tleketsa ntang
yeah
he is a good guy so le puo le body jokes shabala la phela untswe mo ko iksetsa motho o ma se pa la kuntswe mo shabala nginselo munye
yeah
uyakhona ukwenza ijoke like nihleke nonke aphuthe abuya gape abe serious it's got those many characters
Juku ngifuna ukubuza mfethu you met abachita vanabo sharp lama teams lawo obviously besebakwazi ama directors because mawudlala ku Chiefs dlala ku
Akantoshe village
yeah ngifuna ukubuza la idea
Toshe village
ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi bebayitolerate na these big teams ngikhuluma ngama I'm talking about
The big three.
the big 3 yabo Chiefs Pirates Sundowns because obvious bebezwa labantu laba bengazi nami angithi mina ngikhuluma ngento enami ngayizwa ngayibona ukuthi da bazokwazi manje mawusepitori yabo ukuthi okay junior especially lama star players okhuluma bengibona ntwana nawo sometimes yabo noma bengizwa yabo and especially momention abukhune abo Shaba yena uGeorge by then obvious those were top players yabo and bebezwe ethimini bebezwe yabona ukuthi okay sharp kunomuntu nje about you bebezwe okay mhlambe noma bebangeza ukuthi ubani uletha ubani endaweni so bebezwe ukuthi abafana basobe besendaweni so and then mhlambe somebody aphana nge-information ukuthi hayi bebeze emntwini so and egcine kwaziyo ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi abukazi bakucall into order they never called you or it's a question I'm talking about those team
number 1 upopse kwamxosha la village
eish
Boyenzani makazokuxosha.
samalikhuna kanjalo
So nolo etsang tsatsi le na Durban.
samalikhuna njalo bojini
oh
this other day popse kwats ya ga wa tsaya batla no re utletse taba tsa gaetso gore o fitle a fitle ma fetsang ke kolelo le emela go South Gate kwa le go Vision Active ba banyana ga itse ba submarsh sharp ai umunye rolani
omkhwena
sike salwa flat
umlungisi
flat galana like flat phone to phone
No etsa etseng.
yona ntwena
E se ke tjho like on that day ha tlo founela ha le tlo lwana.
go pa sa ploma le plats a hae
Orlando was
Hey.
still at Sundowns.
Yes.
Utlwileng ka wena?
Obvious inhlanhla wasiba the usual rule.
No, phela like
Yabo di yellow boat.
when I understand it, like what I need to understand, ne? Akere ko Chiefs se ba uboni ba utlwile sharp, ne? And then kiko ko Sundowns ba utlwela ka wena. So abe a thole number ya hao, I pick up. Hona le something in it ahala hona mo.
Lady.
Ba tswa kae?
Yeah. What's up? What's up? It's all the party. Ne go tsamana le bokhom.
Mhm.
Sometimes di nga kopa tsa thole exam plata. Hey wena ka motsa masebe. Teka mtseba phela.
Ngizibele.
Ngithaka. Holani ke mtseba. Ukintwana ka school
Okay.
really thaka ke mtseba sambana khutsha bo black. Ga botsana masebe.
Mm.
Ga botsana masebe. Yo ga botsa. Maybe re bule phone hour. A batla go nkhola ntse wala ke gana. Sa tlhaletsa mal plata ga 1 2 3. And then there was a time more thing you are when it's Rezan. Machita Sabatla, Safla Cambodia Rent.
Mhm.
Serizan Rabona, Robana Moore, Kautagichi. It's a repealer lifestyle about to wear the drug house, you know.
Mhm.
The Machita says that. Cherme is a she food.
Mm.
Oh, asakena le phone.
Safun chering and a phone.
Okay.
Ukuthi bangan ba
So-
social media.
Because you know what they were doing. Most people, you know what they were doing. I'm not paying it. You know what they were doing, eh? This is what they were used to do, willing dollars I'm a player. And the Kautama player prior previously. They will attack them in social media. Maybe let's say when I'm a coach, anything at tea, we are phone, or when we journalist, when another to phone. And our phone next, we just want to see how these people live. You figure the next day, you have to have your Umangale, nice. How much there was a time, me wanga kabana wabo. Kuta Maragas be to office in really 5. Barbuta Nersurabana Baper so.
Mm.
Ahlala phansi phela obvious sebaqala sebabheka mina
Mhm.
Sijuku
Kwena ba bitsitseng.
akere ba bang ba bitsa ke nna uthole go mina ngizibizela into ama ngasikhathi kushisa khona la ke kashisa khona phela manje sesiyashisa manje ukuthi manje yazi into leshisa ngakhona aphethe ayimunye nomunye akabiza insimbi yakhe ayithembayo
Mm.
lento le kubiza ischeme ayisekho right because manje uzobiza labantwana laba yibo abasikhipha kuphi
Mhm.
kumele uyesekabiza insimbi yakhe manje insimbi yakho uyayitshela sekuyilento ukuthi theraha wayidla wayibuthi siyefuna kukamereni
Mm.
futhi the next day mfethu bayababiza emajita ofisini uthi le bana baso lahlela re ka jwala boso majita abhekani manje
Mm.
zacabanga zathola kuntana abahlakaniphile ushuta ama-journalist nama-spy wabu-chiefs sebanikeza badm abomangima hi how are you can I be
Yeah, ngiyakuthola
I
yeah.
understand then the next day sebayazi from lapho ke amajita hayi uyazi ukukhula ke
No, Nhlanhla right usijuka khona ama players that they a clean career ngokbackstep abantwana babantu. Hayi var nami okay into ezinjalo ngicebane nazo. Thola ukuthi umuntu bamhloniphe endleleni mara wacedile ama player abantwana abantu bavayile. Shuka umfana ngifuna ukwazi wani nohasa ibhiya. Wahasa bu ngifuna ukwazi alcohol asikhulume nje ngento ezenzile into ana beer. Ngibuya la anyway nje mina uyazi akunanto engizoyihide. Ngifuna ukwazi uye wahasa wabhema ama drugs it's a question.
yeah
No, angithi mina ngeni just it's a question.
Yeah.
Ukuthi uke waba kuma drugs njami. Obohasa nje kuphela. It's a question.
mengichaza ngathola sengibhema ama-drugs yazi ishu yazi ama-drugs yafethu
Yeah.
thanks to God ukuthi I've managed
Yeah.
and the locating has helped me a lot
Yeah.
yeah it has helped me a lot you know that thing uzokutshela something that's why bathi leyo line yokuqala weshaya angeke usaphinde uyithole uyigijimisa dot that first line uyifuna mfanami ya uzoyifuna aka ya uthole kahle bakuchutheka bathi abamba that yona line yakho yokuqala uthi uzutshana bonke ukuthi off unangazathi wonke umuntu uyakuthanda and uzoyigijimisa because of that's why abantu abadala ababhema ama-drugs nebakutshela bathi line yakho yamaqala utobamba lingwana onzweni ngibamba umngane kasistere-ke phela bengiqala ngibamba umngane kasistere iyelo boni
Yeah.
asistere mele ngenzenye iproblem
Yeah.
sinye inkinga usho ukuthi lela sisteri livange uno wazi ukuthi
Olbethi uno lencane.
wazi ukuthi mesengiqala lona nelisabo
Nikisaboni.
Nisaboni X.
Nikisatsibi lo tsibi.
lapho ngiyaqala
Onhlanhla ushuka yamazi kancane.
Hayi kancane.
ungazi kahle
Ngiyabaza.
Okay.
lapho ngiyaqala aka ngine baby mama yami sengibona ngathi ngiyenzela slow ngogo lo mngane kalo ngifikele la umhawu yenye into ipinki le yanto
Yeah.
le sister le ngayicake ngenye indlela mfethu
Sjobo.
like
Okay, whoa, too much information.
okay angithi
Let's talk.
whoa
Question ke, what was your first line? Okay, re tlatla cause ke a bona ba tlo tsolla. Your first line, o no le guy, o na le mang, ho tlile jwang hore like o hlakane le line eo ya pele.
kwenzakaleni yilo pool party leqeda ukuphela Orlando
Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Bengi
qeda ukuphela
Benenza le part nonke. Oh, you were behind the scene.
asumani
cause ke re qadile ko e for ya kwa.
phela le nto lezi asifuna ukulala ngitayi le nto asithanda ukulala sekesa ngangidayela ngifuna ukulala ngizikhaphe ngithi asiyobhala into yethu la endaweni esoso ngizikhaphe le nto
You talk about footballers. Abachita
Oh,
base
akhona football mara lawa ngiyengiwakhipha akhona sha
akusintegrate.
ya
Akusinteras bahloniphe because sebanemizi abachita ya.
khona le nto lezi ngizikhapha azadidiyele uyazi ngiphuzile
It was the first time for you.
first time ba mengi akube nanto ngiphapha ni yathi ngibona ngithi yo ngibone ngazathi umhlaba mawuso aka I'll tell you my friend ngibone ngathi umhlaba mawuso ngoba le date
Yonke into imele wena.
awubona kahle manje yabona manje athi kule ntana uphili futhi phinda umshane ezinye indaba ndoda indaba sifike garage buying cars enye garage abantu bangihlayela izwa lento lentini into limnandi kaje phela nginike ni confident enye yomhlaba yeah that's when it started ay confident amat
Yeah.
nyuka tshela nonhlanhla ngathi umngane wakho ngizomthola wala
Yeah, no. I know for real. Ene ngamtshela ne, ngathi le sister leli, hayi khohlwa angeke.
Akusumuntu.
Awukho ku level yakhe.
Yeah.
Athi sijugu mamela. Khitlo mjola, kake sijugu aneve. What's us page?
Yeah.
Ngathi asingampane sa page cause ngiyazi
Yeah.
ukuthi lo sisi lo aneve.
So the question is umthola ngokuthi sekayazi ukuthi uvana bobani.
ya bese ngifiminyana so manje sengiyabona manje hayi manje la talent kenzo ube big nyana sengiyabona ukuthi ayazini manje ne hayi lento le yabo be mami ngile ngesikhathi ngifuna isister eliyelo sister nyana le kare sister eme checka ngeuno time mabona ngakhatseli una ina hit khathi ngugu ngikubo lisa nengugu sister lingeni sezinye emeli ngensa yo yabona bebathi like actually ngiya respect that till this thing sabe kamera ke spot ngishayela izandla like lingikhiphe ebuntwaneni mina ngintwana
Yeah.
hayi man relax wena lento le uyayithatha kanje fast yekela lento yakho ukuthi ufuna ukutowa uyayithatha nje fast khona la into be fast buya nothing wrong
Yeah.
sharp nqanqam zokubona out hey una ngathi ayisha lento le ngazathi sister eliyangizwa ilathi more kanti ngiya so it happens ukuthi amandla bese waphela so uthola so ufuna lezi asekasi phela uqale ngale ngefeniyela
Mesa.
so that's when everything yabadawo so ngapha neba netress zami nabo bokhule ngapha sesiyacabana sicabanela ile phela ukhune meka yatravel next up until one day sengichelesa ngithi manje senginetress zami ngashiya
Yeah.
plastic wakhona wathola
Yeah.
spirit cleaning yala mwana bebaklinayo yambuza asithi kitsa yini ntate nithotse ka mukamera ngiyakuthi khribe mama lotho lento lezama uzibeka kahle lapha ya hayi kuthi bekafika ukuthi uyangibulali
Angithi akazi ukuthi ezani.
Yeah.
uyabeka lapha ya
Yeah. So the question is, okay, ntwana na kusoshama songenile vele kuma drugs and uheavy njengoba usho buyela bheke kasi cause amandla wasekho and now njengoba I understand bovana ukhune so mithi abachita lababanye yabona i relationship yeni ambe yaze yafika kuphi mfana
split 2018 ukhune wayekhakaza namachita baya phela sekabatshela ukuthi namachita ama-athlete Wasiphela uthi hayi lo muntu wangasambi naye hayi ubhema ama-drugs yocabanga sengithola amaphoyisa dana seliyathoha lithona oqala ufona ya hayi ngizokufona ngalokhu
Okay.
le friendship ayisekho la izinto zamasahlangane uNkulunkulu wangenza mo wangenza ngaba dizzy then I met lecture lena ngingafuna ukukhuluma ngayo legama yangishasha
Cause ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uhlangane phi naye.
lecture le yangishasha ingithola ngidizzy yangishasha umuntu akushashayo ya la yangishashayile la
Cause you were down and out, so you were not yourself.
kusho ukuthi labantu laba eshafiti yazi that's why ngisho ngithi ezinye izinto kusho ukuthi labantu laba lo cheerleading ngishasha kanje that's why ngingayi nasedladleni lo muntu lo bayiplanile lento from edladleni kuzoba ne-reality show wena thatha lo muntu umenze ngazathi kuzoba ihiqa shupha nalo muntu umtshela izinto ezisoso ayetshela inyama
bekungasihici
Ihici, sister lakhona.
wena bongasihici
liyangishashaya lemtshela ukuthi wena umnandi ustrong namaphasi
spiritual
so edladleni bengiqala ngiphuma ebusuku ngiyobhala izinto ngiyaphuma ngibhala izinto kuthiwa ukuthi ngiphuma kumathele ngibhala izinto ngiyabuya ngizivalele evumini uzwele ngitest man yazi ngiceda ukuvuka manje kumneni benitshela nje ukuthi mhlambe mawusendleleni uyile somewhere yekela ukuhambe ebusuku man uthoke ngidala i-cherry story
Okay.
kanti that's why ngafuna go deep to into ze-family yabo idlaleni imawule bangayi sharp ngosasedlaleni sharp
so Chuko, you mean efamily akanchayisana
strength great.
ngiyaku understand no we made peace with that so understand
Yeah, and I've moved it because of izinto ezibhaya bangibhayisile in terms of ukuthi there's opportunities ngake kudala ngazithola but uma umuntu amazanga abaneva because edladleni sifola abayi3 bageleze blind
yeah
yimi black sheep vele
yeah
so uma lady amaza yenza wayithena into kazathi mina nginejealous
oh
mntanami mebayi idlaza mekumele bayifamily bangishiye bengibuza ngishiye bathi ngingafuni abantu ababhema madrasa onlamile ikhuluma so ngaka understand like le nto leyo ngikhula but up until ngarelocate
yeah Chuko mfana sorry ukungena
Yeah.
because nje amele sithathe accountability yabona I understand my brother doing so great now siyada manje soza la mele sithathe accountability mawuthi umndeni wakho nje yami yes I understand we can't talk about that cela singayi but
yeah
awucabanga ukuthi nawe somehow kunendima edlalile ukuze baze bafike lapha lizi already thini asifuna umuntu obhema ama-drugs it's a question nje
yeah
which
ile nto le ala ngilo ngwabhema kanje ama-drugs edladleni olilami ngiligayi nyuko yes ngiyugayi just that olilami the only thing ayibona kimi olilami umuntu obhilivele emalini olilami ungaphethanga imali akanandaba nawo olilami mele uze nemali uze nixoxe olilami ukhethela umntwana kithi ama-boyfriend olilami mfethu incuso esedladleni yeshiri ifuna ukujolana amayakayaka olilami alifuni leyo nto leyo lifuna umuntu onemali uma ungathi awunamali olilami liyakusearch ukuthi ubani likukhethela umntwana asedladleni so kanjalo so that's why ngitshiri zami insweni olilami ekazitshela kahle ukuthi hayi sukani kulo muntu man
But during the time eyakho nama-soccer player, how was the relationship between you and your mother?
si-happy angithi ama-soccer player mina kumshiyela phela
Okay.
then umolilami
okay now ngiya understand
agama waqala ke umolilami ohlakaniphile wangibhayisa futhi nakule cherry le qhuthayo
Okay.
cherry le ngitshela izinto ngimangani le cherry le enhle ngingitshela kanjani lezinto lezi
you already plan lento
yeah
But don't you think bekayiplanner because afuna ukukubuyisa?
angifuna ukubuyisa imali umme wakho obhilivela malini
So are you saying ukuthi ukubhayisile
Ngithengisile,
kusester?
yeah.
So usester wazi kanjani ukuthi angak-accessa kanjani
Sister,
ukuze uze ku-reality show?
kuze ngize ku-reality show usister uyi-ana yimi umuntu mekaphethe ama-following amaningi number 1
Okay.
uloza kanekihlanya
Yeah,
kakhwili
yeah,
abantu bangithanda ngisashala amavidiyo wami nani
oh created the social media
sister kanjalo ke
Also usester wabona amavidiyo wakufuna wakuthola.
mengimazi estradini ajona namaplayer
Okay. Oh yes. Yeah.
kanjalo manje sister omnandi le yena umnandi ya speaking Xhosa
yeah
tshela indaba uyibone na ukuthi lo muntu unswemu nge-speaking Xhosa mina ngikhulumela mina ngoba
ngiyakuthola
so kanjalo wena aka so kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama chelta kabudile wathatha ulo letshow le mamfabukani guess just
15.
hayi mfana apparently per episode mekumele ngithole 20 le share mina nika 1000
Aw.
so how did you find out
how did I find out mfethu angithi ngiyaqala manje you meet these people bayabona so hlaphukelo manje uyangithola like as we say good I'm doing good so aqala umitha labantu abasobo so hlaphukelo but no why lana utamele thole choko inyingi so manje olelami ubonisa ukuthi asumuntu osharp ngina 5 years ngihlala lapha ya evangelify ngina 5 years ne uno I've got a cousin my other aunt ohlala ngapha my mom for the past 2 years ulokhu ezabona lo aunt lo he will never come la ngihlala khona kithi ku-aunt wami lo munye acheck ukuthi njani only now he's trying to make contact because he see that I'm doing good so ngisho so most people they don't understand what I went through and I passed that stage yabo angisafuni like abantwana bakithi mina nabo ne ngizokutshela iqiniso I've made peace with angikrena ngabe yabo. Maybe it's na intona yami manti zami siso intona yami usihle siso. Intona zabo obuvuvu obumzulu. Hawu ndoda mina nendoda antu wami siso. So I've made peace and like this is my family and it has been my family because mengikhula. They only chose sides akama only laba bani. Understand ukuthi umuntu lami kasho kanje then it's only now ngizona sesitradeni ukuthi yo mfana it's set bana bakho yini bakhupula miyaqala phone aka ngama number athi ngiya drop and imagine that time they all doing good.
But tell me something. If they're trying to call
I don't want to
mamela and they want to make things right,
don't want-
because I can't dilo tsa khale ke dilo tsa
I
khale.
don't want to. I don't want to. It's a family. Maulidi waka netlamele is a family. Maulidi waka is a family. Like change uklile. I'm phoning like the other time. Sometimes they say a phone a hoba tombone. Kabutsa moyo ka mtho ba tom araba ke amtsela never change. Maulidi waka fika first thing we me gating ka montle. Ha ke na lokela. Akafonela antu amangambuza ukuthi nginjani. Ngiyabona umntana wami sinyambona sekeza kahle. Akasenza. The only thing is so said to me. First way ngibone azathini. Wawuhlala endaweni kanje. Akusi level yakho ukuhlala endaweni kanje.
And wena kana go o hate.
Like you have to medical cancel like write it life like a peace of mind. Ka go dula ba ke tshela something. People they can say orange farm. Orange farm bethu. Hlala abantu abahlaphukele. Konenye awuthenjele one thing athi tshela yazi hona la orange farm la. Number 1 akunataba nibani and number 2 bonke abantu abahlala la orange farm asabantu abakhulele la orange farm. Understand? Then you meet abantu abangana abasha yabona ukuthi azama umthokozisi you know you make brothers uyaqala uyabona life uyaqala
Abakujaja.
Lapha yakhula into constructive mukuzoza konfirm ukuthi kuphila reality. Angithi kule orange farm kunevale ngale kusedemweni so to say it ka kwa ke demo wena le orange farm kuphila reality njaka like reality brotherhood atsaba brother out like tshwetso ke tsantshayi nat uba out. That's when you start and see what life is real. You don't understand. But that's why I keep thinking most people they will never understand why was that truly so it. So that's the reason.
Okay. So okay, ke utlwa part ena ne.
Sure.
But now your siblings might want hore le lokise dilo je ka ba o founela because at the end of the day maybe ba bone diphoso tsa ma old lady and then bona ka bo bona ba batla o intsha ko so that whatever happens ibe ma old lady luena but bona brotherhood sisterhood siblinghood ipushe ibe grand ha o so ba fe chance e
You know, so it's also forgive the others not because they deserve forgiveness, but they deserve peace.
awuphinde futhi
Forgive the
awusijubujubu man
not because they deserve forgiveness. You deserve peace. You understand?
yeah
So I Tlanza like ikhodile man. I want ikhodile. Kutsho ntho tse ding. If it was something, if bana ba go yeso ntho tse ne ba di etsa ba momela mama ka they did them. Ba sampani ba
Ba le bana,
dikolo.
yeah.
It was gonna be understanding. So all those things. Wasn't se ba spana.
but akere you don't understand or don't know the conversations that went behind wa utlwisisa cause sheba akere motho wa khona or au poison ne and then there's something e bitswang inherited beef right and ke bana ba ko lona ba hodisitse ke mama lona and whatever characters and everything e ba leng yona was shaped and developed by that woman so wena ba ile ba o seclude and maybe the drug issue was the biggest thing amongst it all.
Yeah.
Maybe le bona they saw danger hore ke tlo mmitsa ko ntlong ebe anka you know most a stereotype about
Okay,
junkies and stuff.
Number 1, I was in that zange ngisi junkie man or something. I wouldn't take next zange dilo tsa batho. Azange li khaywan. I think ki favoritism and you know what happened after my grandmother passed away.
Yeah.
Ne? My mother came from Freedom Park, Naluja Freedom Park, Atludu Roof. And then no one was granted the access. And that house was a family house. Everybody hates everything. Everybody. Let me tell you something. Only time I had to get a chance. That's why I always love my aunt Kapila Gofreda. He took me. Nah, yo, I'd feel that. Now I was shocked. Then I meet her. Usiswa kama kriza wa umuntu ekudala ngamgcini ngiyangibuza ukuthi uma into eyangaka ate uma wakho wahlakaza umndeni because of asa
utsho batho ba bagolo magogo
ukuthi uhlakazile siyabona sekahlala nasemzini kadadewethu uma wakho kodwa uyinkinga molelo waka awuna mthwa amahlanga family akafuni bantu family yakhe yila inxosa sedladlweni lezi zonke naye.
Okay.
Family yonke akuna family mekuthiwa mfwe what mina mengishocked ukuthi kanti kithi sibangaka then waqala uyayibona lento lesiyaqala sorry lo ngiyamkhumbula wabe uyayibona lento bajabulile ifamily bacala ukubona i-celebrity yabona lento leyo ukuthi lo muntu lo simbone TV la ekhaya baloba baphisa sekuphuma amaleba na muke sangitshela yabona into enyane njalo sengiyaqala manje sengikhuluma nomaqhizi hey man yazi uma lady 1 2 3 wakafuna umuntu lapha yani umuntu ozayo so you can imagine no one in the family comes and visit the family yibo. So I'm glad to be more relocated to Random Farm because there's a lot that I've learned. I've learned a lot to be humble. You know, guys, it's not easy being humble.
Yeah, it's really powerful and issue. Hlale ngisho ngayikhuluma omeli apply powerful and
easy.
Intswembi.
Not easy being humble. Not easy. Coming to think of it, phela mina there was a time ngihlala mina ngihlale kule castle ngena itrati ayile castle. But then today here I am. Today sharp like you know grand like mengithi ngiyabheka ezinye izinto ngisazikhaleli angisakhaleli like angikhaleli muzongitshela ngeclub uyangibhora uthi bathi sekuneluwi ngithi ukuthi mina ngihambe imvithu kusanabo konke abo Latinova ngihamba Latinova mina so I understand lento show but what hurts me the most is that all lento leyo kujikelana abantwana basedladlini bayenze sebasipana nhlanhla. I'm talking about something about 5 years back. It's not like how will they change if going forward labantu bayenze lento sebanabantwana.
Yeah, deep kakhulu. Tana ngifuna ukwazi wani unencosi na it's a question. You have chat.
Your question. Yeah, nginaye. Nginaye mntana aka unencosi but yabona le case umntana nengosi ngosile yami nekhalad le la khona le khalad but it's a long story nayo futhi le ndaba yengosi. I understand it's a very very long story indaba le yengosi but yanginayo ingosi but dala ngayiboni nani in you understand.
Yeah, so awuyiboni because of
access
ayikho
abafuni
but is your child mntanakho
eshiyazi nalapha yaphila mina eshiyazi bafethu ngisekuzinye this deep manje.
Yeah,
but sifuna ukwazi
there's a cousin yami sale hamba yohlala kabo medium for some time mengithi ngiyacalculate ayingenzeli sense bafethu into ngangifuna ukuya long to leso story ne. I think mebangiloyele mina moving from eSoweto yami bakhona into memengithune yona nje iladlini lapha eSoweto.
Okay.
There's a lot that I can say and don't know kamakalo aka ngihlangana nomama umntanami June ne ngihlangana naye June 2011 kakhulu.
Okay.
Because I need out and introduce. Aga 2 minutes. Sesinomntana 2011 November. Le nto lezo sesingimemorize sengihlele Orange Farm ngiyi1. Ngiyacala manje sengenza ama research wami ngibuza le mntwana lena yazana uthi mina kire magazazi ukuthi ukhona wabhala idlaza leli. And number 2 aga ukhona ubhala idlaza 2011. Number 3 lo mntana ongishayisa after about 3 months.
Okay. So unale this thing ya maybe not.
Maybe yeah, maybe not.
So gahlahla singosi yakho.
Not.
Yeah.
And then but umhlokometse ngwana.
Yeah, mengisa kahle nezintana nanani.
So uhlaphuhelwa ni
ngihlaphela sengihlale Orange Farm. No bo Matrasburg seqala kufollow lutho akathe bhayi. Awuyisa lokhuna ubhayi idlala mas 2011 and umntana lo ilaza khona bangipha yena. Lo mthaloko sinomntana ingwane. Umntana wami sharp maybe le yami azange ayibona bafethu umntana wami usewayenza one ngakayiboni. Ngibona ngama picture usala ndampa nalebo ma 8 months hatch ukumbona kusho ukuthi umuntu utho pregnant ngambona na 4 months abazini izinto somthatha that's what it's shaya ngoba media ngibaphethe imali ngiyacabanga nokucabanga nje kunesinye story mengisibhekelele salentwana bafake untombazana ifake lento le ngazathi preg ngibona na 4 months ngimgcina na 4 months umkhaba sowuthe azile lapha edladlini uyangithola sharp uyeza na 4 months umkhaba vele ngiyabona imedia ngespat imedia ngiyangidamba azange safuna ukungibona imedia ngiyibona after 2 years nomntana ngambona after 2 years.
Iskeleme esikhulu esinthembi yayo might.
So in between are udampetsing before dampa like lelondetsing
anginasikhathi sakhe and usually uyazi ngilokhu nginasi mekuyozayo.
So that is how the relationship was.
Ngabona for 2 years ngilithe ngezola bathi umntana uzalwe ngeyi1 zaka
November.
And into yakhona ngizwa next year.
Umntana sekakhona.
Sekakhona umntana mengimbona ilento ukuthi umntana ibhubhumpu faka athi ufana nawe yambona.
So it DNA akazi
ngingena power kwenza ama DNA ngihlanye
even namanje
mfethu Dabanenyuka abafuna ukuthi ngisondele noma ngifuna amanamba email ama sikhona ukukhuluma. Ngizofuna ukuya kuye eMarabi Rich le Makhalatini abazongikhama yo.
Twana, yeah, sure.
Sha.
Man, you've done well for yourself, my brother. You've done well for yourself. Ngibona isho itrap and pass ufikile laphayana. You said something abanye abantu ujoke lapha. Like ile way yami yokuya iBlueWheat. I remember I think I was the first player nami kuya iBlueWheat, my brother. And it didn't make sense ebantwini abaningi, but give me a pair off, yabo. We are there and ngifuna ukwazi mawuzoya la kule show because I believe yeshintsha impilo yakhe mara right. Yeah, you went there. Kutheni kuye mawuya la bro?
Wena ngikutokuya lapha ya. Like first and foremost, I would like to thank like management there lapho free Black Queen production nale sisterelela uSindi.
I'm very umuntu I know Cindy.
You know what happened there?
Yeah, chop umuntu ohlakaniphile uSindi.
Yeah, too much. Over.
Hlakaniphile
This
kakhulu.
is what happened. Basically bekuzoba ne show.
Mhm.
Lapha ya. Bafuna trip and pass mezoba khona. So, you know what happened? Babize mina, babize uMawini, babize uJunior, babize uNato Shalawa.
Oh.
I understand.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Those people, they wanted to check with maybe in communication or in.
Oh,
And
okay.
abangitsheli mina ukuthi uMawini enazwani uMawini.
At that time.
Ngiyafika, ngiyabuza ukuthi hawu, ngithe kuzoba nama guest I3 noJunior kanye. Umunye ostroke kuphi? Yimi no
Rato show.
ostroke kuphi? But hayi uthe uyeza akafeel comfortable ngale guest S3, but we convincing her to come back. Ngivele ngithi ile chair. Sishuthe no Basteni ngihlale sikhulume sicoce. I sharp the cherry lengibuza ufeel azi umuntu lapho ufeel comfortable nalo system angimthandi. But the one thing we like about you, you honest and you I think we need someone okhona ukukhuluma English ungenza the show ibe strong.
Yeah.
Sharp. But amadayari.
Bakutshele after that.
Yeah, after that.
And ebongazi ukuthi kune show.
Yeah, after malapho ngenza amadayari no Gerald. Amadayari no Gerald sisha amadayari sinda dayari ngiyayibona le combination.
Okay.
Asisitami ngela respect her blind. Yo.
Hayi nyazi.
Lelia.
Nyazi, I know.
Respect her
I know,
blind.
yeah.
Sterling back. Singaqala ukubona life manje. Sengibona impilo manje. Lithi kimi mamela la. Yabona manje kumele uthathe impilo yakho njenge brand. Uyibrand ekhukiza kusuba noma ubani ongena aphume ema-office nge-Pirates azoshutha la. You must be blessed. Sithathe serious. Anything you do, wazi ukuthi udenta igama lethu. Anyway kahle you are a risky wena. Lento le isho. Industry. Because we know you win those ama-drugs. What if siyabeka hire ama-camera 80,000 awuzi? Naye risky. For me ngicabangele. Ngiqala ukuleza lapha. Athi yabona la. Enokhuluma kanje lo muntu. Ngitshela phakathi kwe-staff. Akunamngane wakho la. Umngane wami wena ungane wami.
I just brought you here.
Wena umaqala wami so. La unamngane nawe. Ngiyabona leso sister. Kanjalo sister lingicala lingadvise. Manje lingibeke first season sekubona kushutha jwa ke. But Tawul shayela phaya abutho ukuthi la manje abancane asinike intaba hayi intabanya athi intaba akulethisi
Uthi yimi lo. Or kwena.
bakheshe aba basinike cash kusho ukuthi shuthe 2 weeks yes lapha angaba yazane yazi uNkulunkulu
Yeah,
abantu laba kusho ukuthi last shoot kunobhibo ntshumayelo yenye ichiri yabo. Yes. Albertino Sinda Daya and you worked for the one season. This season is gonna be top seasons. I want to ask Baskai Malina. No 50.
50-50.
50-50.
Yo.
Ngizena that umnyango uyavaleka. Umnyango uyavuleka. Ufuna ukuphuma manje.
Nima.
Let's cash.
Cash nomuntu omumela phaya. Enzansi.
Yeah.
Ubhayika. Engisazi izinto ezibhayi. Ngisahlala nani yena yazi ngivele ngenze ngivele idlazi mina ngisahlala nenye TV ngaphaya. Ngivele ngibhayika iTV ngibhayi. Lezo zinto mina.
When was that?
Nini?
Meaning?
May 3 skinning 2023.
Okay.
Ngibhayila umbhede ngibhayi TV. Ngithi mina sambani bakhama bo. Okay, sibale sami sakhe ngibhayila umbhede ngibhayi TV. Ngihlale ngibhayi izinto omlami ngilenze libe nswemu blind. Blind isalayo manje izwambamba so. Peche ngibhayi ibhathu nani. Second season. I'm a professional.
So besone contract.
Yeah, now. Nama isethe khona so ishoot season 4.
Hayi ngiyakena kancane.
Bese siya ke asebasitshela ukuthi manje sengizohola so. Then uGeraldi ngizokutshela iqiniso. That guy ngimthanda. Geraldo Khawute
Umsindo.
abantu bamtshela ukuthi umthwimi ukuhambona uGelal mesiqala this thing was like basitshelile na listen yabona lasangithi uNkulunkulu sangithi listen wena you the one olukisang this is entertainment wena you are the one educational wa entertainer
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
he knows these people
Umntwana beka-educate.
yes
Wena bo-entertain.
Yeah.
Combination balance.
Yeah.
Moshe azoyenzani sekafuna ukuqoqa ngaye
Okay.
sekaxoxa ngelife yakhe manje
So kakhohlwa ukuthi host.
yeah sekuba yakhe angilanda uBrighton yabona 1 2
Oh, Brighton was
Yeah.
behind it.
yeah angilanda 1 2 3 4 5 ngithi ngibona uNtango yaka-tech yena isiponsor sakhe akasasenzi ukuthi a-educate sekafuna ukuba entertainer ufuna ukuthathela i-crowd is not how you start it's how you finish ngemeko uGerald aqoqe ngaye akhulume ngaye first time khala abantu kuyi-YouTube but asamfuna uGerald sekasicocela ngaye let the guest talk let the guest talk Gerald uyaqala the second time cala uGerald uGerald abona udala esiphandlisi enhle kahle ngathi siyamsinda aqala kolota abantu uGerald mayakolota abantu abantu sebaqala baphana ne-problems sekaze emsebenzini late nana akasize emsebenzini nini sashuthisa kahlungu abavele babona masithi sizingibrekele ngasekho-ke haya uyabona bayenza ngazathi I mean, you know how people amafena njalo uthi how can uhambelini mesithanda le combination sathola isindata it's fine ile lana wayenza namanye amacheba ama-twins hathi 2 weeks labo cheba athi yo ngayithola ke yabo
Uye washa enye, uye wayenza
I
nje.
didn't
yeah
know.
usalo wenzeni nama-twins just take ama-twins yeah
Okay.
then ke kanjalo ino isase strategy ukuthi umthwimbu liyashunga yenza uyi-1 bese kafuna ukuthi lishungu kube yakhe ayi
Yeah.
just because yazi uyi-coach ePirates ngapha kanti ledala bamxoshile ngale wenza ama-flop ngale thembisa abazali babantwana ukuthi uzobajoyinisa abantwana abadlala ePirates wazidlela imali zabantwana so everything was a stress ngapha mesekadla nezinto ezwrong meseyikhanda ngapha ole lakhe liceda ukushona ngapha i-girlfriend yasemafikeng ihlala imkhamisele kanje ayisebenza ayenzi next imkhamisele kanje ifuna ipapa ifuna ini so okay that's how but that work was the best way so it happens khona manje ke as I'm doing acting
Ngifuna ukuya la nto.
bekunento nje ngilele ebusuku ngiphupha nge-actor
Hey?
abantu abazi ngilele ngiyaphupha nge-actor ngivuka ekuseni
Uphuphu actor kuphi so?
phupha nge-actor
Oh, awazi story sakhona. Okay. Yeah.
ngivuka ekuseni ngene kwisakha mithi mina ngasangithi mina maybe nginelinye idlezeli strong
Yeah.
uvela uMandla N
Do you believe in ancestors?
yes I do believe ngiyahlala kanjani
Serious?
asangitshela ukuthi uMagreza umprofit mina ngiyakhona ukufila ngiyakhona ukuyizwa into ikhulumayo la kimi ngizwe ngithi like kufanele yazi ifana nani ifana nokuthi vaya nje na angikhona ukuvana umuntu engihamba nakwazi ukuthi umuntu lo njengala uthemba lengihamba naye so naye plus west ngokubona ukuthi kuba amaziyoni nani Magreza wameka lesonto kanjalo uyakhona ake ungithole sibathi mina hayi nampani ngalihlala endleleni ngigibela Yesu you understand ngibona uMandla N Instagram I am fit into le hayi ngimuntu ngithi Mandla N that fuck DM Khotman mina ngusiju so ngitswe blind ngiyacela ichance eyi1 Khotman li reply I'll let you know I'll get back to you leave your numbers next week mangisikolabo my 10 amanamba engawazi hello wena mangibanga production Mandla N obatla you shooting on Friday Saturday there's a call sheet and yeah Thursday I should expect the Khotman to say I'll let you know leave your numbers Thursday oh yeah Thursday van text sharp Saturday nyaya bengifika nyenza amasimba vele banginikeze negama lapho kuphakathi
So is that a series?
series season 1
What's the name of the show?
yeah name of the show kunje detention detention Netflix njayami
Iqala
Khotman
nini?
linganya I think next year January everybody angithande lapha ya misengazathi ngumntwana la uyabona yeah so far yeah everything is akahle and I think ngathi kunenye futhi engizakuye which I can reveal yeah kunenye engizoyenza manje yeah so to be honest nje nokuza kule show yeah Junior Khanya TV hlala kani
Yeah.
siyashita
Jam ufuna ukwazi man if done well for yourself akusipapa no ungadelete jam yabo ukhuluma enye inhlanhla we need to be realistic because it's not important how you started I think yabo uthene this thing wayenza career yabo And well done to you, Stu Season. I mean, I know former players, football professional players. I'm talking about high profile players. But psychological, I don't think they're strong the way you are. But it's a compliment and I don't see jam. West part to family involved. Gune drama behind the scene. Naksi papa ninyam. Now you're saying you're going to shoot another one. Ufila kanjani Stu kumfana? Like to Njobushi Trip and Pass, you're still there. You are a presenter about go Trip and Pass. Trip and Pass it was buzzing, yeah. Benkhuluma noNhlanhla before Zala. Ngithi ujuku uthi intwana enhlex uthi uyazwakala. We're talking about your show le way le beniyenza. Yo, he had so many numbers. People loved it. How did mfethu ufila kanjani? Sengisho nomhambe I'm sure people knows you now. Ufila kanjani Sijuku mfana endlini?
What I was always telling myself is that to me it's chapter 2 of my life. And that's why there's no chapter 3. uNkulunkulu first chance, that's second chance. I just believe ukuthi first chance yilawo uNkulunkulu khona kunikeza ispeed. Akubreak. Akubreakana dayi man.
Ayinzima kakhulu.
Yayenyathela iklahle.
Ayintswembi ya.
Ayithi nje kancane. Hayi ukuthi dead break ayithi nje.
Ayintswembi.
Uyizwa like you can feel nawe uNkulunkulu mele athi clash azonyathela ibreak. Ara break at the same time uhud kancane and leyo break uzoyizwa. So sometimes I take this as a blessing. That's why I was telling you earlier on ukuthi some friendships that's why ngingakhona ngokukwatela ngitheme isala phansi sengimechole lenkhuli. Bengikwatela ukhona ukuthi ungibhayizisile ini but I had to learn and understand ukuthi some friendships that were cut off, those friendships mfana was a blessing because if I continued ngalawo ma friendships maybe ngabe ngibhodile because the lane was fast. Antomasahane abantwana bengizothi papa sengina 35 khulu uyashada. Senyambora manje. Alayisangeni njengasekuqaleni. So those friendships they are like a blessing. So ubonisa ukuthi as a mature person the only thing engihlale ngitshela abangani bami abama celebrity ngesazana kudala nithi bafethu ayisekho into yokubloma ekhoneni oyabantwana. Manje the only time sibonana kuphela ukuthi empethu kuyanyana emuna ke maxhabisa ngwanaka emuna watsama ngimangwasika wadladleni empethu kibulala dladla antwana ka kwethu na lespan. That's the only friendship that's going to happen now. Your friendship le yakudala nhlanhla ayisi high man sekumele manje ungibiza ngiya understand yes we can commute antwana kushayidina man I catch up but the things that are phones nga catch up efonini. Call me nhlanhla kimi bashaya ispan. One thing about Inhliziyo, when the love is there, the love is there. We don't need it to even communicate
every day, or see each other and talk for nothing.
Yes, but the love is there, man. And so we know that the love is there. So if once you want to watch Ampa date, so yale, if friendship, it's all about Ntwana. It's mumu zaling man, media ka kobo na khot man la khele nyalo mshayga. Ntwana ka mamela man. Kisha span kibula dladla ke phile ka ke etsa so. Le ukuthi sohlala senze isikhathi sesikuma kash hour manje sesikuma sesinenkinga ephaya plan lento ukuthi sohlala soorganize amantombazana siphuze ngathi everything is going well ayisekho. You understand? Yeah, that's what things sikhuthaza ngayo each and every time ukuthi sikhulile man.
Yeah, ngifuna ukwazi nje amawethu from manje to have done all this thing. Number 1 njengoba ngisho ubuya kwenye into ntana chaos more and akusonke umuntu ophuma la ubuya kwi chaos serious ya showcase and compliment for that. Ongena ku Trip and Pass. I think you change ngisho you change your life. Went to Trip and Pass, you were given a platform and in Wycliffe ngezandla zethu. Now ujobusha shoot season 4. And now Mandla enukudonsile ngispanile noma indla nyamazi kuvula vala. I think Mandla talent walas, but one thing I know about Mandla, very disciplined and dedicated. Yeah, Mandla isikhathi sokudlala kanaso ngispanile na I know uyabona. I'm very tight yena Mandla. Manje ku Netflix yoba ku Netflix ntwana kunenyiwe ezoza kuwe. Ngifuna ukwazi wethu and ngifuna before siyada ntwana what yini ongafuna ngifuna this kube ngifuna can you just teach people yini oyigelezile kuzo zonke lezi zinto njami just ngifuna ukwazi nje
okay through my journey yonke ne through my journey into engigelezile kakhulu ngomuntu abangani mina I believe in abangani and everything sometimes the only key to success ungimamela kahle the only key to success ukuvula inhliziyo. Ijam boqala ukukhula abangani bakho when they start doing good eventually umuntu uzoba nomona because izinto zakho azihambi kahle angithi you don't understand because you pray you do this wena ukho aware ukuthi uyazikhawata ngokulokuba nomona that pain ukuthi umngane wakho loyaka sakhona ukurinchavuwe mumfonela kasaphendule all those things ama blessings ayablockeka. I'm speaking about me ama blessings wami sengikhuluma iva mina block ukuthi kukinto nje from ngine enga then I understood ukuthi calm down le yampilo ayisekho ngithi manje sengiyinkinga ngicela ngifuna amajita hayi wena ukuleta iplastic hayi no one's wanted no none of my friends will ask me why you decided what happened why just so why it's only now uyabona kuma interview sebabantu abafuna ukwazi but ngaqala ngavula inhliziyo and I can tell you one thing eventually bijama ngizokutshela mfana wesilungu sisho into eyi-1 akawo abana what but when if you choose abantu abaningi they choose to listen to jealous people that turn their back into somebody that was a blessing to mina ngintwana sharp I was blessing to all of my friends each and every friend that I was with he was gonna do it anginasinyama kinaphat ngingona mbini so that's why I had to understand with you know what my friends they chose to listen to a jealous person that turned them nani blessing yabo kanje because most izinto abulukhuna bobantu bazazi nami I was a blessing to them but they tend to listen to jealous people abanye abangani bami yabachaba abashadanga ngoba bashadise nje ipareja ukuthi sekuyanyiwa ngcono ngizokhalela la you understand so uvula inhliziyo and understand ukuthi hey it's not nice to go up yeah it's not nice baka hey it's not nice yeah vula inhliziyo and once uyabona uma vula inhliziyo and understand ukuthi growing up is not nice my friend you're gonna go far yeah
Sandra yini ofuna ukuyisho ntwana kuwe
for umuntu ongimaziyo for as long as I've known him and I've been there when he was going through it right the drugs the highs the lows like I was there and I saw him and ukumamela manje engathi ngihlezi nomunye usijuko ngamazi because that's not the Sijuko I know usijuko ngimaziyo usijuko sizohleka junior impilo kuba mnandi but you don't know the scars that is hiding inside you know what I mean and right now like I'm listening to a matured somebody somebody who's taken life to a serious level, who's taken himself more than anything to the next level. So honestly, I'm proud of what I'm hearing today. I'm proud of the things that you're overcoming. And because like, you know, khona leskipa leso sinikeza uthuso phala besihamba la skipha laphaya ujuka nganandaba adli phaca like yabo but like listening to you now okay fine I do see the videos on social media and stuff but you know what some people create content you know but now I'm seeing that is not content creation it's actually the reality that you're living right now and well done on that and I'm proud of you Ntwana so no keep on pushing we'll definitely support you and in your corner through and through you know and then so like no man well done and I'm proud of you and I hope Intwana will be inspired you know to say but you can actually turn your life around so
chapter 3 iskarfile
Nhlanhla mina nje engizokusho kuNtwana nami I'm very proud of you nje I'm so a rapper nje manje well done ukuthi uzwakale because ukuze ufike la isitshele into ngawe yabo umunye umuntu ongathatha izinto serious ngaba ngithi ukwapintro elodwa uyazi yabo and
so basically ngihlezi nabantu abaphila ku chapter 2 so kiplomele bathu chapter 2
doing great nje mina I can tell you ngoba into engishaka kakhulu yabona ngishaka kakhulu you can have a talent if you don't have a character mfethu yabona lo mjito une character mfethu lo yabona wena nje that's why ngithi ustick umandla nyazi ngalesipano naso I can tell you naso ubhale phansi angeka kuyeke umandla especially Sijuko nje obusho mfana ukhansele yonke don't go backwards njam no man all the best for you you've done well and this I'm fitly sure especially the episode of you mfana is going to teach so many people ngikhuluma ngomuntu oshadile luze into eziningi or a person who's down and out osafuna ukugrow up ngempilo well done to you mfana all the best without waste isikhathi Nhlex mfethu ngiyabonga nokuthi uvele wena sisazoba sonke manje ngiyayifuna season 2 round 2 kaNtwana manje I think the second episode we need it Ntwana uNtwana umuntu ozikhulumelayo and very inspiring Junior Khanye TV don't forget ngisayiphinda #Junior Khanye TV Bet with the best. #WorldSport Betting ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe man siyabonga mfethu Clicks. Next week futhi uNhlanhla ngizobe ngimphethe. Yeah, kunento ekumele sirephe noNhlanhla. Ngikhuluma ngebet yePremiership. Yeah, anisazombona ngishilo la akasayindawo. Amanje on.
Danko.